Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the GoPro Hero 14, what we can expect from this upcoming action camera. If you're into adventure, vlogging, or just love capturing life in high quality, this one's for you. Let's break it down in simple terms. The GoPro Hero 14 is rumored to get a brand new sensor. This means better video quality, especially in low-light situations. Think sharper footage, more accurate colors, and improved dynamic range. Some leaks even suggest it might support 8K video, a huge step up for action cameras. The camera will likely keep GoPro's unique 8:7 aspect ratio, which lets you crop your videos for Instagram, YouTube, or other platforms without losing quality. Plus, expect an upgrade to HyperSmooth 7.0 stabilization, making your videos even smoother even during fast-paced action. The Hero 13 already impressed with 5.3K at 120 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second. But the Hero 14 might take it further with 5.3K at 240 frames per second. That's insane slow-motion capability, perfect for capturing every detail of high-speed action. And if the 8K rumors are true, filmmakers will love the ultra-high-resolution option. Low-light shooting has been a weak spot for GoPro, but the Hero 14 is expected to fix that. With improved low-light performance, you'll get cleaner, less noisy footage in dark environments. Whether you're shooting at night, underwater, or in dimly lit places, the Hero 14 should deliver. Here's a big one: wireless microphone support. Many creators have been asking for this, and the Hero 14 might finally make it happen. Imagine connecting a Bluetooth mic directly to your GoPro for professional-grade audio. No more messy cables or extra accessories like the Media Mod. This would be a game changer for vloggers and solo creators. The Hero 13 introduced modular accessories, and the Hero 14 is expected to expand on that. Think new lens mods, like a telephoto lens for zooming in on distant subjects, or enhanced underwater mods for better aquatic shots. The camera might even auto-adjust settings based on the lens you attach, making it super easy to use. Battery life is always important, and the Hero 14 is rumored to get a bigger Enduro battery, around 2,100 mAh. That means more shooting time, even in extreme conditions. Whether you're in freezing cold or scorching heat, this battery should keep up with your adventures. GoPro is leaning into AI and cloud technology. The Hero 14 might come with AI-assisted editing, which automatically picks the best clips and creates highlights for you. Plus, expect better cloud storage options, making it easier to save and share your footage. The GoPro Hero 13 launched at $399, and the Hero 14 will likely be in the same ballpark, around $400 to $450. There will probably be bundles with extra batteries, mounts, or lens mods, giving you more value for your money. As for the release date, GoPro usually drops new models in the fall. Since the Hero 13 came out in September 2024, expect the Hero 14 around September 2025. The GoPro Hero 14 looks like a solid upgrade, especially with rumors of 8K video, better low-light performance, and wireless mic support. If you're a content creator or an adventure junkie, this camera could be a game changer. What do you think? Are you excited about the GoPro Hero 14? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, keep capturing those epic moments.